Good day everyone. This is Ayesha. I'm a teacher in the Wave Private School and today I'm here to teach you about angles. This video is for grade 3, so I'm using Top Maths chapter number 6 from Top Maths book. So let's start. For this chapter I have two objectives. First one's to know angle and second one's to identify right angles. To know angles means that after that video you are able to know, to estimate, to deduct angles around you. Not to estimate but only to deduct with angles around you. And to identify right angles, it means that after this video you are able to deduct right angles in your daily life. Right angle basically it is a type of an angle, okay, but this thing I will tell you later on. First, let's focus on the first objective, that is to know angles. First of all, see these lines. See this part carefully. What you can see in this part? You can see that this is one line and this is the second line. This is third and fourth. These lines are connected to each other and these lines, they are separate from each other. Why? If there is any battle between these lines? No. Or is there because they are friends, that's why they are meeting it together? No. Here I will show you how we can make angles. How to show angles. First of all, see this line and see this line. This arrow represents that the lines start from this side and this is the end part of a line. Here also, this is the starting point of a line and here is the end point of the line. An angle forms when one end part of a first line and the second line end part meets at a certain point. Here it's meeting. Here is the vertex also. You can say it a vertex also. So this is the vertex of one line and second line. Meeting position of two lines. When we meet one end part of a line and the second end part of a line, an angle forms. So this is an angle. Now I will draw a line here and I will draw a second line, but I have to draw I have to meet the end part of the line to the first line. See, it's now connected to each other. So it means this is an angle. Here you can also see an example of an angle. But why this curve is here? Because this curved I made it to show you that okay, I deduct this angle here. If you saw an angle, how you can say that okay, this is an angle? How you can present it that see, I deduct an angle? This is a sign that you know that this is an angle and you had deducted it. So I deduct an angle also there. So I will put a curved mark like that. That see, this is my angle. Here it is an angle. So I will make a sign. This is an angle. Okay. To show an angle, I have to make a curve. Think like that. It means that I deduct an angle. So an angle forms when one line end meets the second line end. Then an angle forms. Okay. Here are some examples that are already done for you. As you can see, a door. Look at the door at your room. See it carefully. Observe it for 10 seconds. If there is any angle or if there is any two end line points that are meeting to each other, if there is any end, if there is any vertex in a door, if yes, then yes, there is an angle in that door also. See this door carefully. Look at here. This is one line and this is the second line and there is a meeting point. So this is one angle. Here is also you can see a meeting point of one line and second line. Here is an angle also. That's why I mark an angle sign. Here is an angle also, and here. Also inside there are many angles. So let's see our next example, which is a window. Also you have the same or some different windows like that, but here you can see one line and second lines, both ends are connected to each other. Also here, here. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Also inside there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 1, 2, 3, 4. So these have there are many angles in this window. Now look at this cupboard. If I observe this part only, here it's one angle, second angle, third and fourth. Now it's your turn. Observe this side and tell me how many angles you can see in this part of the cupboard. Yes, you have only 10 seconds. Yes, you are right. Here is one angle because this is one line and this is the second line, and so when two lines meet the end at their end parts, this forms an angle. Here is one line, here is second line, the end parts meet, here is an angle, here is an angle, and here is also an angle. Here as you can see, there is an angle also on the upside. 1, 2, 4 up for this side and for this side. Yes, very good. Now you have 30 seconds. You have to look around and observe anything. Tell me how many angles you can see in that thing. Observe it and note down in any paper. Yes, your time starts now. Here you can see some other examples of angle. See the first part carefully. See this first example. There are some stairs, and when you come down, you can see beside stairs there is an angle because this is one line of the stairs and the second line of the floor, and this is the meeting point. So here is an angle. Also here is an angle. There is an angle also. And this, see this pizza carefully. And this is an angle also. One line, second line. Here angle, angle, angle. Okay, so these are the examples of angle. So now my first objective is accomplished. So now you are able to know angles and to detect where it is. So here is an activity for you. You have to observe 3 different things from your room. You have, for example, from my room there is window, and in that window there are angles. So I have to write at my notebook my observations. My first thing is window. I saw angles where window. So I have to write window in that notebook. Okay. So it's time for you. Observe 3 different things from your home. Write their names and then show me by picture. Thank you. Have a nice day.